So yeah, talking about the virus is living or non-living. We were done with few points of this topic, but few were remaining. So number one point is they are living inside the host cell, or you can say the host body. So what does it means? Means they are living inside the host cell. Like we are the host bodies, we are having the host bodies. If the virus get inside our body, it will be called living. If they are not inside our body, it is outside of the body, it will be considered as the non-living. How they considered as a living in our body? Because they utilize our cell. They don't have the metabolic machineries, but they utilize our cell and they consider it as a virus, or you can say they consider it as a living, but they don't have cell in their body, but they are considered as a living because they, when they come inside our body, they consider as a living because they utilize our cell, our metabolic activities and everything. So the second point is that they can destroy through UV rays. We can destroy the virus through the ultraviolet rays. We can destroy the virus. So the next point is that they can be crystallized in bottle. Even before lecture I told you that we just crystallized the virus and converted into the bottle through which we can see the virus from the electron microscope. Yes, this is the point of that one topic. So we can crystallize the virus and we can see in bottle through the electron microscope we can see the virus, and we cannot see the virus like this. We have to crystallize the virus, then we can see the virus through the electron microscope. So the next point is they do not respire. Yes, they don't have their metabolic activities, they don't have metabolic machineries, they are not considered as a living. If they are not inside our body, they are considered as a non-living. So how they will respire? So of course the virus cannot respire because they don't have any kind of cell, they don't have any kind of metabolic activities, so the virus cannot respire. So the next point is they don't have cell, they don't have cell, but they have genome. The genomes, in genome there is DNA and RNA. In some virus the RNA is present, in some DNA is present, and some both are present. So in your mind the question came that they don't have cell, then how they have genome? So the thing is that we can prepare or we can make the genome in the laboratories as well through the genetic engineering, or you can say through the DNA technology, or you can say there is more kind of technology. We can prepare genome in the laboratories, but we can also prepare cell. But the virus is not beneficial for our body or for everything. The virus is not beneficial, so they don't make cell. There was a scientist, they didn't make the cell because it was not beneficial for us, so they don't make cell. So if they have make the cell, so this is not beneficial. This will be more harmful if there is having the cell, so it will be like destroy our body. So they didn't make the cell, but they have a genome in their body. So these were the some points which we discussed today, that virus is living or non-living, but it is not considered as living as well as non-living right now, but it is living when it is in the host cell, or you can say the in organism body or in organism cells. Otherwise it is not considered as a living. So these were the 5 points which we done today's class, and some more few points were done before.